Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. This part we can create in the two methods. First is standard method, another one is we can create in a single sketch. In the single sketch, might, hole and chamfer will not cover, that we can do it in a next step. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select sketch, select the front plane, create two circles, give the dimensions 65, 45. Create corner rectangle, give the dimensions here to center point 54 mm. This is 22 mm. Here to here 11 mm. So trim this line, select the line, create line like this, give the dimensions 6 mm, from the center 3 mm, trim entities, trim these lines. Next, select rectangle again, so we can create the center line. We can do the symmetric constraints. Give the dimension 18 mm, here to here 35 mm. Select three lines, give the symmetric constraint. Trim entities, trim these lines. Select these three lines, symmetric constraint. Friends, select this line first, this point and this point, give the horizontal constraint. Now you can see sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Select here mid plane 50 mm. Next, select the front plane, sketch, select rectangle, give the dimension 12 mm. Create one center line. Here to here 6 mm. Height is, actually height whole center is there. From whole center 55 mm, add 18 mm. 55 plus 18. So convert entities. First mirror this line. Mirror about center axis. Okay. We can mirror bottom also. Mirror about center axis. Select convert entities, select this and this. Trim entities, trim this. Select line, create one line here, give the dimension here to here 20 plus 18 mm. This line is, select this line, give the vertical constraint, select these two lines, vertical constraint, create one line here also, dimension is 20 plus 18 mm. So finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane, distance 40 mm. Control 7 for ISO view. Next, this distance need to increase, friends. Edit sketch, this is 12 mm. Select fillet 18, select the edges. Sorry, 20 mm this is. Okay, leave 18, I will reduce that extrude. Okay. This distance 38 mm. 36. Now select the front plane, sketch, create one line here, give the dimension here to here, (20) 15 mm. Finish sketch. Here select rib, thickness is 6 mm. Next hole is there, one hole. Diameter 18 mm. Finish sketch. Extrude cut. Here we can select through hole. Mirror this hole. Select the center plane here. Okay. Control 7 for ISO view. Assign material, steel. In the steel we can go with any one of polishes. Friends, the next step I will create single sketch. That is simple, friends. Control N for new part. Friends, if you are enjoying the session, please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Create two circles. (65), (45). Give the dimensions. 54. This is 22. Select line. Give the dimension. 6 mm, 3 mm. Trim entities. Next select rectangle. Give the dimension 35 mm. (18), 9 mm. Trim entities. Trim these lines. Select rectangle. Give the dimensions 12 mm. height is 55 plus 18, here to here 6 mm. Create one center line. Select mirror, mirror about center axis. Select line, give the dimension 20 plus 18. Select trim entities, trim these lines. Select this line, give the vertical constraint. Mirror these lines. Mirror about center line. So finish sketch. Select extrude. Select this first. Mid plane 50 mm. Next, we need to go to edit sketch, friends. You need to add one more line here. This dimension is 15 plus 18. Finish sketch. Select this sketch, extrude. Select this, this and this. Select the mid plane 36 mm. Okay. Select extrude again. This one, select mid plane here 6 mm. Okay. So this top portion you can do it mirror also, or you can use sketch. Extrude. Mid plane 36 mm. Control 7. Select fillet 18 mm. Okay. Select this face, sketch, create one hole, give the dimension 18 mm, finish sketch, extruded cut, select through hole, okay. Select this cutout, here select mirror, mirror about center plane, okay. So that's it, friends. You can see the drawing once more time. So all the features are added. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below, friends. I hope you like this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this session, friends.